Hello everyone, welcome to my review of the Prophecy V3 from Ultra Sabers. This is the Prophecy V3 in the polished aluminum finish. They also offer it in the dark Prophecy in the anodized black. This is a very iconic hilt, kind of a stripped down version of the Graflex that Ultra Sabers has been offering for quite a while. I opted for the silver AV switch to kind of tie out the look of the Saber. A close-up look at the slanted emitter and the brass thumb nuts that hold on the blade retention screws. They did a fantastic job on this emitter as well, it looks great. There's also a window in the emitter, which you can see there on the right. And there's a second hole they drilled there, but that's covered up by the LED module, so no light comes out of that. Closer look at the silver AV switch, the grooves at the bottom, and the fantastic custom machined cover tech wheel that they include, as well as the knurled low profile pommel. And this is the emitter with the thumb nuts removed, so you can see the blade retention screws. Of course, I got my Prophecy in Arctic Blue. This is the Ultra Edge Midgrade blade, which looks fantastic. You can see the emitter window there. It looks great. And this thing is extremely comfortable to hold and to wield. The choke point there, right by the windowed emitter, is just perfect for your hand as you're swinging. I wanted to make a few aesthetic changes to this as well. So I swapped out the standard pommel on the left for a MHS compatible pommel from a third-party provider. I like the second pommel just to add a little extra length to the end of the Saber. It felt like it dropped off because of the low profile of the standard pommel, plus this third-party pommel offers some different inserts that go into the bottom. I also swapped out the brass thumb nuts for some steel thumb nuts for the blade retention screws to give it a consistent silver finish from emitter to pommel. So that's my Prophecy V3. Thanks everyone for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.